Just real quick, these vintage oil funnels, spouts, whatever you want to call them. This one we couldn't find any identifying stuff on, but we found it with this one. They were together. Maybe something there. I don't know. Hold on. No identifier on this one. Real heavy duty though. And I believe this is 6 inches. Yeah, it's 6 inches. And you know, for its age, pretty cool. That's in good shape. We got this one. I'm gonna have to do some Google lensing. A lot of this crap will rub off, but maybe ESO, I don't know. But same thing, used, but these things are super solid. And I'm sure if you shined them up or cleaned them up, we don't dare. I know how some of you collectors are. So we're just gonna sell them as found and as is. This one's about 5 inches across. And again, you'll get both of them. Don't know who made this one. Oh, and this one, I'll find out soon enough. But yeah, they look a little dirty, but we're not cleaning anything. We're just leaving it exactly as we found it and as is condition. And I think we had a bunch of these. So, but these two are being sold together as a pair. Let's give you the whole. There you go. Check them out. And there.